Hi, welcome to Taste the Manna. I am Shalini. Today I would like to share a snack recipe. It is egg masal bonda. I am adding a potato and water into a pressure cooker to get the potato cooked. Once it is done, keep it aside. In another vessel, I am bringing the water to boil. Once the water is boiled, I am adding the eggs into it and waiting for it to get cooked. So once the eggs are cooked, remove the shells of the eggs and just split them into two halves and keep it aside. In a pan, I am adding about 1 spoon of oil and a spoon of mustard seeds. Wait for it to get splattered. And a spoon of cumin seeds. So once they are done, I'm adding a large sized finely chopped big onion. Cook the onions along with the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. And once when the onions are cooked, I'm adding a half spoon of turmeric powder and a spoon of red chilli powder. Give it a stir and let the red chilli powder and turmeric powder cook well and the raw smell in them get evaporated. So once when the masala is cooked, I'm adding a tomato into it. Wait for the tomatoes to get cooked and a spoon of garam masala. Give it a stir. And now I'm splashing water into it. Wait for the ingredients to get cooked in the water. And once when the water is evaporated, I'm adding the smashed potato. After adding the potato, just give it a stir and mix it well so that the masala gets coated to the potatoes. When you cook this, please keep it in the sim, and once when it is done, just place the stuffing on the eggs which we have slitted earlier. In a bowl, I'm adding a cup of gram flour, salt and red chilli powder as well. So just mix it using your hand and then add water little by little and mix it gently and create a batter. And once when the batter is ready, just dip the stuffed egg into it and drop them into a hot oil. Wait for them to get cooked, and once when they are cooked, just drain out from the oil and serve it in a bowl. Thanks for watching. Support us and encourage us by clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the updates.